Gotta wait for Tina.
Do we see the socket yet?
We do.
All right, we gonna go get it.
Where's where's Tina's?
I don't know. What do you think? Whose do you think it is? Which one's which? You gotta be very- Okay. You take it off the hook. Very carefully. Take it down.
Mine.
Okay.
It's mine.
Wait.
What's in here?
Okay.
Presents.
You guys can open them all together.
Tina, what's the open them? Where is it?
It's
What are
They're
these?
stamps and pencils.
What are these?
Those are pencils.
Pencils? What
Yeah.
are these? What is this?
You could
This
open them, Tina.
stamps?
Yeah, stamps and
Are these
pencils.
stamps?
Yeah.
I wanna open this one.
You got hair in your face.
Oh, a dumpling on the floor. There's candy cans. We got candy cans to suck on. We got candy cans to suck on. Ian, I don't know. Where are those? It's the microwave. I got flapping things. The flaps open and close.
They're fans, Laura.
It's a fan! I got a new fan! What's this? Whoa! I think a fan!
It's a bracelet.
Yeah! I got one too!
Oops, we'll have to put the ribbon back on. The ribbon came off.
What is this in here?
The ribbon's part of the bracelet. I'll tie it back on. I think it's stuck.
Take this off. Can you take this tag off?
I will, and I'll put the ribbon back on.
Put the ribbon back on. What is it? You can open some more, whatever you want. But we gotta put the bow on. You always gotta bow
Laura,
on it.
then open yours. It's a bracelet. Yeah.
Oh, this is Santa. What else is it? Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's this? I know what it is. I don't know what's inside out. Hey, it's a new toys. New toys. Got new toys. Open it. Open.
Why don't you open your presents before we eat the candy cane?
I got another thing. What is it?
Let me see your glasses, Tiana. I'll cut off the tag.
Oh, these are nuts. These are drugs.
Peanuts. It's a new cup for you.
It's not. It's not. Hey, yeah, that. I got new glasses. My glasses. The glasses. Mama. We got so many things. Mom, can we suck on our new candy can?
What do you think, Daddy?
That's mine too.
Sure.
We got candy cans.
Here, Tana.
Can I open this for you? Can I open this for you? open this for you.
You can hold the wrapper. Hold the wrapper so you don't get all sticky. And put this end in your mouth.
What's inside here for Tina? I want something inside here for Tina. Oh, Tina got something. Tina, you got a new spoon.
It's a straw spoon. I don't think you finished all of your presents, Laurelyn. Did you take everything out of your stocking?
My chocolate. Nothing in there. Lika.
Did you get all of your stuff?
Don't open it.
That one's yours, Laurelyn.
Man.
Oh, look at mine.
You want your sunglasses, Laurelyn?
Oh, this is Tina's. This is Tina's. Oh. Mom, this is Tina's.
This was yours, Laurelyn. That's yours. This is Tana's.
This is mine?
Yeah, that's yours.
Mine?
Tana's got a fan too.
It's mine. I got a fan too. I got it too.
Anything
You
else?
got a wet fan. I got a wet fan. I got a wet fan. Tina got a wet fan. I got a pink fan.
Cut the tag off. So pretty, Tana. Can I cut the tag off? You got two more to open, Tana. That's a straw spoon.
Yeah. There's a big hole.
Tana, you gonna open
Big
your other
hole.
ones? You got. Are you all done?
There's a big hole, Bob. A big hole.
Yeah, it's a big straw spoon.
You open that. I really want to open this, but there's stamps.
Tina, it's got nuts inside.
It's got peanuts inside. Let me wipe the case.
This is for you, Tana. This is for you. I'm really going to open it for you. Oh, it's a new card.
These are yours, Tana.
Cards. Yay. I'll open this for you. Your card. Look at you. It's your card. Tina got a new spoon. A sucking spoon. Tina got a new sucking spoon. A sucking thing.
It's a spoon
You got a
straw.
lot of things, Tina.
Yeah, that's it. That's great.
Well, we
That's
gotta
a lot of
clean up
stuff.
this mess.
Yeah, you need to put all the trash in the bag.